Yo, what is up? We are watching episode 4 of Bleach. Last episode, man, Orohime made me so sad, dude. That episode brought tears into my eyes. The whole brother thing, crazy, dude. Nah, man. Bleach, you're gonna do this to me a lot, aren't you, Bleach? You're gonna make me suffer, you're gonna make me cry, you're gonna make me sad, you're gonna have me shocked. Okay, you know what? Fine. I accept the challenge. Let's go then. Huh? You want a piece of me, Bleach? Fine, I'll watch you. Let's see what happens. And and Ichigo said yes to Rukia. He is now officially a Shinigami. So let us begin and see what happens next.
いや、それがさ、
A
こい
cursed
つを飼ってたやつ
parakeet.
みんなひでえ目にあって死んじゃったんだって。
Okay. I know I said I would be ready for whatever Bleach threw at me. But what do you mean, a cursed parakeet? Look at this thing!
んな話聞いて欲しがるわけね。かわいそうじゃん。チャドさんどうすか？これかわいい。
Chad, bro. Look at that guy. His name is Chad.
やめろよ。チャドはそういうかわいいのには弱い。
Of course he does. Very Chad-like of him. Cursed parakeet for real. A Soul Reaper's soul is exceptionally delicious. I'm sure Orohime's might be even better, you know? Holy shit, Chad!
チャドさん。
W! Wait, so like... Oh, there's like a Soul Reaper... No, not a Soul Reaper. There's a hollow attached to the parakeet. Shadow Supremacy.
大丈夫かよ、チャド。
Why is he bleeding purple? I can't tell if it's because Chad is like an alien or something, or because of censorship.
なんともないって血出てるぞ。
助けてくれてありがとう。僕の名前は柴田雄一。おじさんの名前は。
なんだよこいつ。状況わかってるみてえじゃん。やっぱ呪いのインコ。
The parakeet just talked?
サド、ヤストラ。
それよりイチゴ、これはどうやって飲むのだ？
どうやってって。
周りの目とか気にした方がいいよ。
あほか。俺がそんなもん気にしてたら、とっくに髪の毛黒く染めてんだ。
それもそうだね。
そうか。これをどこにさ？
I love how she's struggling so much with that juice box, man. She's killed hollows, but juice box, that's where the real toughness begins. Well, isn't she like 150 years old or something? So she probably didn't have that.
年上の女性にしか興味ないの。
Aren't we all? To this garden of masculinity. The average 15-year-old boys when a girl shows up. A Chad and the talking parakeet. This guy. He's not called Chad for nothing.
こんにちは。僕の名前は柴田雄一。お兄ちゃんの名前。
Also, did the school just allow a parakeet in this, like, inside? They had absolutely no questions. Why are you bringing a bird in school? No one cared? Alright.
に何か入ってはいるが、悪いものではない。
Okay.
寂しがっているだけの例だろう。ただ、
Thank God.
放っておくというわけにもいかん。今夜あたり、根層に向かった方が良いだろうな。心配まですると、こやつにも少し死神の心構えが備わってきたか。
Hopefully.
俺はこの髪のせいで周りから何かと目つけられて、そのたんびに喧嘩して。ちょっとばかしやべえ。
Over hair color? Do these people have literally nothing better to do? This guy looks like a fucking pig with an afro, man. Haha. Dude, I want to see Chad become a Soul Reaper. He would be so cool with like the sword and stuff. This guy's indestructible. Oh my god. And why are these assholes getting so worked up over a kid's hair color? Never fights back. Oh, I bet you the moment he does lay a punch, it's gonna send someone right straight to the Soul Society. Oh, we need this guy as a Soul Reaper. Recruit him already. What are these two up to? Chad again? And that parakeet dude. Whoa, he was stepped on by a hollow?
感じたか。
無論だ。この部屋にいても気づいた。インコからは何も感じなかった。フォローの匂いがした。
This scene is way too cool, man. It does not need to be that cold. Did she see the hollow? Right, I mean, there are the hollows. They're still after Ichigo anyway, so... Might be.
イチゴ！大変だ！チャド君が病室から消えた！
そのフォローというのは悪事を。
Hollows hide themselves between this world and the Soul Society. Oh, so that was the place we saw in like the beginning, in like the first episode and whatnot. That darkish place, is that the place right between the Soul Society and the real world? The bad drawings. Can he like sense it? Yo, what is this observation hockey? Aww. This cute little parakeet. Aww. I hope this bird gets freed quick, man. Whatever soul's inside that bird. Also, I love how she calls him Ichi-ni. Not like Oni-san or something. What? Spirit ribbons. Visible rays of spiritual energy. Only high-level soul reapers are able to see them. Do you think Ichigo had some sort of connection to the Soul Society prior to him meeting Rukia? Like, he was always able to see ghosts, but like, do you think maybe like his mom or like another relative or somebody in his family was a really good soul reaper or something, and he inherited those genes? Maybe. No. You have a soft heart, man. That's a good quality. Already jumped through that? Now what are you doing out of bed, man? Karin. How? You don't have any powers.
そんなわけには。まだフォローと戦う力は戻ってねえんだろ。
私が貴様に心配されるようなヘマをするわけがなかろう。
大丈夫か？
More Rukia action, let's go. The memories of the spirit that possessed the parakeet. Yeah.
あの
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty obvious that there was a child inside of that parakeet.
心に一番強く残った記憶が私の中に流れ込んできた。あの子、目の前で
Oh.
目の前でお母さんが殺されてた。お願いだよ、ジミー。お願い。
He will, man. Him and Rukia, for sure.
技術開発局の変人どもめ、息もかなり上がってきている。
いい匂いがす
Oh, is that the holo?
るな。すげえうまそうな匂いだ。
It's a pervert holo?
くれよ。
No, never mind. Yeah. Thank God. Yo. That thing looks like something out of Five Nights at Freddy's. Bonnie? Chica? I don't remember. Haha. Yo.
よし、これくらいの力は戻ってる。
No effect.
助けに行く。
You can't even see it though.
危ないよ。ラウよ。車にはねられるとか危。
やはりまだあのレベルの軌道を使えるまでに回復していなかったか。
そう。
Alright, final thoughts on keto. It's like the energy that flows throughout the body, you know? Like haki or chakra.
死神だったのか。どうりでうまそうな匂いがするわけだ。死神
I've devoured two soul reapers who tried to help that kid.
ほど食ったことがあるんだ。
So it's like a powerful
最高にうまか
holo.
ったな。
向こうに行けばお母さんに会えるって。あの子に教えてあげて。あの子、これ以上一人に
Oh
し
my
ないで。
god.
お願い、ジミー。
To be continued? That's the first one we've seen like that. Dude. That boy. I want. Oh, are we gonna get like a tragic backstory of that boy and see how his mother was killed and everything? That's gonna be rough to watch. Dude, I can't stop complimenting the music on this anime. Each and every soundtrack is just so perfect. It either gets you excited or it just hits you right in the feels, man. Wow, all the people who worked on the compositions of Bleach, god tier, dude. And his sister, I really like how she's trying to protect him because they're the same age. I feel like slowly and slowly, all of these people are gonna, everyone who's like connected to Ichigo are slowly gonna be part of, the Soul Society thing. Like, they might become Soul Reapers or at least help Ichigo. Because, okay, Chad, I don't know. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. But his sister, for sure, dude. Because she can also see the spirits. So maybe when she's old enough, I don't know if Bleach has a time skip, but if it does, then I feel like his sister will definitely be like a Shinigami. Whew. And now, next episode, we're gonna see Ichigo fight him. So that's gonna be awesome. And I'll see you guys then.
仮面、万象、羽ばたき。
Bleach OSTs! Come on, man, go back to Freddy's Fazbears.
そうだろ。だけど
Go make pizza or something. Why are you going after little birds?
やはりまだあのレベルの。
おふくろが死ぬまでだ。カリンもユズと同じように泣き虫だったっけ。おふくろが死んで、器用でしっかり者のユズはやるようになった。
Oh my god, these
あまり
girls.
器用じゃなかったカリンは、せめてみんなに心配をかけないようにと、何があっても泣かなくなった。遠足で足の骨、
Wow, these girls,
一回だ
man.
って泣かなかったんだ。
They're just the strong ones, you know? Bro, what did she see that made her cry? She didn't even cry after she broke her leg. She said like she saw that boy in the parakeet, he saw his mother getting killed. So as someone who's lost her mother, I can, that's what probably broke her. Wow.
死神か。
Are we gonna see the backstory?
そのに
What? How did he see and touch it?
当たったのか。
But like, shouldn't his hand just go straight through the hollow? Yeah.
殴った
Oh, he's definitely becoming a Soul Reaper.
霊が見えるのかいや
Lucky hit.
まぐれやったと思ったじゃん。
Oh, dude, old animation quality is peak.
見えていなければ声も聞こえていないはずだというものがないのか
Nope, because he's Chad.
足も出ねえだろ。どうするよ。出来損ないの。
And it has wings?
どっちの方向だ。
Is he gonna like super jump? No way he's gonna lift up that pole. Oh, the hole in his heart? Oh, that's good symbolism. The hole in his heart. Maybe. Nah. Holy shit.
さあ、どっちの方向だ。
Chad.
そんなことだからあんたら死神はどいつも
Oh,
こい
it's
つも
getting.
俺たちに
Someone's getting too cocky.
たく死神ってのは俺たち
What are these alien frog looking things?
目に合うんだよ。
This music. I am way too happy right now.
本当にこれで行くの。
What are they doing?
すごい頭が悪そう。
貴様に言われる筋合いはない
虎ってどっちだ。
Fuck, I'm gonna say that too now. If anyone asks me where left is, I'm gonna say go to the direction of the tiger.
行くぞ
The Rukia Bazooka. The Rakuza. Fire the Rakuza! Why is it lagging?
観念しろ
What a drama queen. Oh, what was that?
転入生。
Come on, Chad, do something. How did the parakeet get over here?
逃げ回れ。俺が楽しくあんただけを狩れるようにな。
How many OSTs does one episode have, man? I'm enjoying all of it. Oh no! Okay, but they don't seem to be doing too much damage, you know, the explosions. I thought it was like a bomb, where she'd like lose her head or something. These are mild-ish. Hurrah, 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 hurrah! Man, Ichigo's gonna kick this guy's ass so hard.
必要がなくなったのだ
Oh, cause Ichigo's here.
攻撃してきならばその言葉に
Ah, that guitar. Haha.
ああイチゴ
Ichigo.
何がな、イチゴだ。
Haha.
死神業代行。
Currently a substitute.
おい、
Oh. This music's gonna give me an orgasm. Yeah, he looks badass.
てめえはだがてめえはこれか
What is Chad doing, dude?
チャド、ちょうど
How did he get out of that?
そいつをどこか安全なとこ
Or
ろ
did
へ隠して
Ichigo help? Probably. Ichigo probably helped.
戦っている最中だ。
This must be so random for Chad. Go cut off his tongue. Do it.
一つてめえに
あ
聞きたいことがある。このインコに入ってるガキの親を殺したな。てめえか。
Probably is.
僕がママを生き返らせたいなんて思ったから
What?
ごめんなさい。ママには生き返ってほしいけど
Aw, this kid.
待て。母親を生き返らせると誰かが言ったのか。
このガキの母親を殺したのは俺さ。俺がまだ生きていた頃に
While I was still alive.
連続
Oh, this bastard.
ガキの母親はその最後の一人よ。面白かったな。必死に逃げ回ってよ。もう虫の息だってのに、それでもガキを守ろうとするんだぜ。
Ah.
だね。俺の靴紐をつかみやがって。この俺があんなヘマで死んじまうなんて。ありえない
Good. But he's back and a bastard.
あのガキにぶち込みこう言ってやった。それができたらママを生き返らせてやるってな。
Ah.
生き返らせる。
バカできるわけねえだろ。死人を生き返らせるなんてことがよ。
Bro.
しかしあのガキは信じた。必死で逃げたぜ。とする人間を
I could kill off anyone who Oh my god. Where is my sword? Where is my damn sword? Okay. I do not know where my sword went. Well, this is a little awkward. I'll find it, man. Whenever I find it, I will come back to this episode. Dude, this guy, man. I hate. Oh, it just filled me up with anger. Where is my damn sword? No, okay. I don't have anything. Well, Pikachu, will Pikachu help? Pikachu, use Thunderbolt on that asshole, man. Ah, I hate this guy.
そこで決め台詞さ。ママがお前の助けを待ってるぜ。
Oh my
ガキ
god.
はまた元気になりやがる。ママ、ママって泣き叫
This
んで
bastard deserves a special place in hell.
今度こそおしまいだ。
Cut off that tongue! Oh. Ha 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 ha.
どうした爆発させるん
Ha
だ。
ha.
鳴らしてみろよ。舌をよ。鳴らさねえのか。それじゃあこの下。
I'll take it. Yeah! Yeah! Kill that guy! Let's go! What is that? Is that like the doors to the underworld?
地獄だ。
It's hell!
洗い流せるのは
The Zanpaku too can only wash away sins committed after death.
生前に大きな罪を犯した兵
Ha!
地獄の門が開かれる。
Let's go! Suffer! Yeah! Oh! Straight through the balls! What the? What is that? Dude, the power scaling in Bleach is gonna get incredible later on, isn't it? What is that thing? Does it fight? Is that like Satan himself? Then these two skeletons have bandages on them, bro. Peak. At this point, I'm just saying this after every episode.
もう体に戻ることは不可能だ。
Oh no.
ソウルソサイティは何も怖いところではないぞ。腹は減らぬし、体は軽いし、十中八九ここよりも良い。
向こうへ行けばママに会えるぜ。ママを生き返らせることはできねえけど、今のお前なら向こうへ行くことができる。
Ah, my cheeks hurt from smiling, man.
ちゃん、
It looks so
い
cool.
ろいろありがとう。
いろいろありがとう。
ちゃんが抱えて逃げ回ってくれたから、僕は怪我もしな
あ
か
は
ったんだよ。
Every single episode is just so good.
本当にありがとう。
雄一死んでそっちへ行ったらもう一度お前を抱えて
Oh! Yes! Oh my god, Bleach! Okay, my cheeks actually hurt now.
それじゃ
Whew. Karin, hopefully she's sleeping way more peacefully now. Is he gonna visit her? Oh my god. Oh, the butterfly. It's gone. He's finally free. The parakeet kid is finally free. Dude. Peak. Oh my god, what an episode. I swear to god, this is just getting better and better, and I have no idea where this is gonna go next. But it's really cool seeing Ichigo get stronger and stronger with his powers. He did something where he was able to find Chad like instantly. Not Chad, the parakeet kid, instantly. And Rukia said that was something only high level spirits can do. So Ichigo is definitely getting stronger. I do think he might be related to some strong Shinigami. That's why he's able to do all this properly. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. And wow, I wonder when Rukia is gonna get her like full powers back, and when Ichigo will finally become like a proper Shinigami, not a substitute one. Because the team up between Rukia and Ichigo, god tier, man. They are such a good duo. Haha. Yeah, it's just warmed my heart, man. That dude just filled me up with rage, that evil monster Hollow, and it was so satisfying just seeing him get absolutely wrecked in hell with that big ass hand, man. I feel like we're just gonna run into some very, very powerful entities later on, and hopefully our boy Ichigo's ready for it. So that was incredible. I'm so happy I'm watching Bleach. And I shall see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.